Hello friends, thank you for stopping by. This is Ernest, and today I would like to ask you one question. Do you want to make your command prompt stand out from the boring black screen? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change CMD colors like a pro, background and text and all. Just stay tuned, because by the end of this tutorial your terminal will look awesome. Without any waste of time, as you can see on my screen, we are having black background and white text. Now here, if you look here, I have the syntax. The syntax starts with the word color. When the word color followed by the number that represent the background color, and followed by the number that represent the foreground color. So just like I have said, you can see on my screen 0 is equals to black, 1 is equals to blue color, and 2 is green, 3 is aqua, 4 is red, 5 is purple, 6 is yellow, 7 is white, 8 is gray. So let's start with the first combination, which means if we take 0 and 1, we are going to have blue for the foreground. Let's try that. Press enter. As you can see, our foreground color is blue and our background color is black. So 0 is represent black, but the most important thing here is the order of the number would determine which one represent the background color. Because if I switch 1 and 0, let's say color 1 0, you see now that the reverse will be the truth, right? So the positioning matters. Let's see some of my combo of command prompt color. Why should this be important? I believe that if you are doing multitask, using color can help you distinguish the different prompts that represent different tasks. That's why I think that bringing to you this color can be of interest, So let's try 07. 07 represent black and white. So you see, we are back to the default color. That's usually the default color. Let's try 17. So it means we are going to have blue for the background, blue and white. Interesting. I like it. How about you? Let's see 2 and 0. Means that black will be the foreground, right, for the text. Awesome. So we have green for our background and we have black for foreground. Let's see 87. Let's see what that will give us. As you can see, we have gray and we have white. So this, it's interesting. You can make your own colors that you want, the combination of your own colors, and make your terminal look the way you want it to look. So I'm just showing all the sample to tell you that we should not get stuck with black and white, that there are other possibilities for us. As you can see, we have the aqua color and the white. There you go. That is yellow for background and white for foreground. Yes, you see we have blue. I like this one, this light blue, right? I like this one, it looks good. Yes, yes, this too is good also. Remember, this is command prompt on Windows, CMD command prompt. There you go. This one look nice to me also. And finally, friends, this is another color. But remember, you can switch these numbers and you still get something of your own combination. You know, you can still get something of your own combination. And I believe that if we start tweaking 7 8, you will be seeing different let's try that. 7 8 color, 7 8. So we are reversing. So you see we have something different now. It means that we simply switch the colors around until we see which one is appealing to us, because everybody have his own way to see things. So what I see and like might be something that you don't really see the same way. So you have the possibility to tweak your command prompt and make it attractive, you know. Yes. So now you know how to customize CMD color and make your terminal truly yours. If you enjoy this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next CMD or tech tip. Drop your favorite color combo in the comments and we shall deliberate on that later. Thank you so much. Stay blessed and I see you again. Bye bye now.